Hi, my name is Brianna Ellis, and I'll be going over rational decision making. First, I'd like to start off with some information over the topic. Harry Smart. Harry Smart was a young executive graduate from New England College, where he met his wife, Barbara, who was a law graduate as well. He received his master's, and he's a seventh-year Brand Corporation located in Boston. The board of directors built a new branch where he was selected to be manager of corporation. He was appointed chairperson with final decision-making privileges of ad hoc committee to determine locations of the new plant. He had members of the committee included experts in transportation, marketing, distribution, labor economics, and public relations. He gave the committee 1 month to have researched and a full report of the best 3 locations that were most ideal for the new plant. These 3 locations later included Kansas City, Los Angeles, and New York. Harry could very much see in the report that they did their very much best research they can do and came up with the best possibilities of these cities. Harry discussed the location later on with his wife Barbara, who had no plans of relocating to Kansas City or Los Angeles, but rather live in New York. Harry had little to no argument with his wife. Harry returned to the committee for his final decision. Unfortunately, Harry's final decision was that the best location was in New York. Let's discuss a few issues and key points. Harry was appointed by president of the company to lead the new plant. Harry is trusted with the final decision of the plant. And Harry discussed the best option would be New York despite the thorough report the committee made. Harry's first decision as a leader is not in the best interest of the company. Questions. Did Harry act as a leader? Did Harry discuss his new role of responsibility with his wife Barbara? What does his decision reflect in his role and responsibility as a leader in management? The response was, Harry has been appointed by President to be manager of a new plant, in trust that he will lead the company to success. Harry had little argument with his wife Barbara regarding his role as a leader, showing that the role is not a priority and is dishonest to his colleagues. Harry's decision to defy the report the committee gave him, listen to Barbara's display, the company is not in his best interest, especially as this is his first decision as a new role as management in the new plant. In conclusion, I would like to say Harry is not fit to be management. He is not fit for the plant management and cannot make decisions in the best interest of the company. Harry should have made clear with Barbara his responsibilities as a new plant manager, and I feel that it is important to understand that Harry's role was given not for free. They believed that Harry could lead them to success. They gave him the trust to work together to make the company more successful. Harry took advantage of this role. He very much took advantage of this role, and he did not follow his colleagues' report. He gave his colleagues 1 month to do research to find the best option for locations. So what he did was, instead of going by the report that he himself admitted was very thorough and very much correct, he instead ignored this research that he made his colleagues present to him. So all of the work his colleagues did to find the best possible location in the best interest of the company, not only for the succession of the company, but also this will help benefit for the succession of their own future. Harry spit back in their face, and he did not follow the report, and he was dishonest with his colleagues in his decision, knowing that he also agreed with the decisions of his colleagues that Kansas City was the best option. Thank you for watching my report on decision making. I hope that this was of value to you, and this is also a lesson of rational decisions in business, also in life, because it is a very important thing to take in consideration of how your decisions affect you and others in yours and their success. Thank you.